We're giving away hundreds of dollars of RevZilla gift cards. Stay to the end of the video to figure out how to enter and win. All right. Very choppy, but what side of the vehicle, roundabouts, intersections, all those things cause problems.
What are you doing?
No indicator, but we should understand until they make their decision, we need to go ahead and sit back a little bit. New hazards up front. All right, we're crossing. Oh. Did not expect that. You don't see a lot of that. You don't see a lot of those issues with too much rear tire spin. You usually see it with a new rider. So we're going to be going here and we're going to be turning left, and it's very hard to see the bit rate, all that fancy schmancy stuff. It's hard to see, but it looks like the road is pretty damaged, pretty gross, a lot of gravel possibly, and there could have been ice. Exactly, Vasu. There could have been a lot of ice. So in the middle of a turn like that, don't accelerate right at the apex, okay? Right when you're in the sharpest point of the turn, okay? You only accelerate when your nose is pointed where you want it to go. Okay, his nose is pointed. You can see where his nose is pointed right here. Okay, you want your nose pointed towards the exit. You need to slow down before the turn. You need to look where you're going. You need to press to initiate counter steering. And then when your nose is pointed where you need it to go, then you roll on the throttle. But you can hear it. He accelerates through the turn. He accelerated through the turn. Look at the road. It's terrible. Don't accelerate through the turn, especially from a stop. You need to accelerate it when your nose is out and then do it smoothly. Smooth, progressive brake pressure. Smooth throttle control. Smooth shifting. You see that? Smooth movements. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Wear gear just in case this happens. Click the link in the description to enter to win hundreds of dollars in RevZilla gift cards. We're doing this every single month. So if you don't win right now, you can possibly win next month. But if you sign up as a tier 1 to tier 4, you get my ebook for free too. Check it out. Link is in the description. Link is in the description. Click, link in description.